Hey guys, now I am featuring the Zcart again, which is the faulty scripts provided to me. And when we are requesting the Envato market, first we are going to the Zcart uh, support. Okay, so started from there here. I'll just completely. Can you share the URL? Okay, I just taking the support from Incivio and they told me that they can solve my problem. Okay, one more thing. After that, they nearly about that I am talking from since 9th November and till 14th November. Still, I have that error. Okay, uh, can you please share server credential? I share the server credential too. We replied another. They replied me another mail. Okay, then when we are going to install again, the error is shown that error when I add the product are not added and not shown in the front page. Okay, and I told them I nearly about the all kind of procedure and all kind of videos which is error coming after the installation. The first error is the product not showing, billing page in admin and admin creation but not working. I create the admin panel but it is not working. Help in CVO. Can you please share the error message? I'll share the completely error message with the screenshot. Okay. After that, they ask me super admin credential. I provide them the particular credential, but they told me that this credential is not. They told me that this is a merchant account credential without checking it. Okay, because of I changed the name and password. It is definitely thing because of they provide me the super admin at the red demo.com and password is the 12346, so I can change that particular password. Okay, I completely changed that. I again send him the back. They already take 30 November for particular single error. Okay, that is the type of support they are providing. So beware of purchasing of $300 scripts. Okay, then they told me that this is the weird issue. I again completely they have my cPanel and login all kind of credential. I already the fresh installation done, and after the error is still persist. The website is looking likewise. Just like wait for a while. The website is looking like I'm not nothing added in that because of nothing is working. The dashboard catalog, when we are clicking on the catalog, here is not redirect to the catalog. Admin is not working, vendor not working, support desk not working, appearance not working, setting not working, utilities not working, reports not working. All things are not working. Now we are talking about the Envato market help. After the Mr. Zoaf, because of the script is faulty, I requested to the just buy and after installation on November 6th. They told me that they are investigation. I told them lots of error about that. Okay. And after that, lastly, yesterday I received that mail. Thank you for getting back to us. Please understand that all items in Envato market platform is advertised as supported. This include this that item PSD template, sketch templates, type engines, themes, mobile and age anime reports. As explained in our previous message, only items that proven to be faulty or not working or described as entitled to a full refund. I want to know about Mr. Zoaf. How can I prove? Because I completely make a video of the Z card theme which is not working and it is completely faulty. How can I prove that this scripts is still not working? Tell me one more thing. Tell me. How can I prove that? Because of I clearly shown that the script is not working. I properly install. This is the all types of support messages in which I regularly touched with the 9th November. Is still the author is not able to restore and resolve this problem. And how is that possible? How is that possible at all? So kindly look in the matter, because of this is the this time I don't want to make a video on that particular, because of the author is not replying and Envato Market is not properly helped to me. So that's why I'm going for a charge back to my bank, because bank, I know that my bank is surely helped to me. Thank you. Thank you so much.